Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday June the 16th. We have 5 Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a tectonic and a binary. So total of 5 Sudokus, and we will start with the first one. That will be the Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan this. Which number can I use? How about the number? Yes, the last row. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. I see in this big square the 2 and the 8, so the 2 and the 8 cannot be in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 8 in the last row will be in these 2 boxes, the 2 and the 8. I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this last row for the numbers 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then we have yeah, how about the numbers? Should be here. Let me think. How about the number 8 in this row? The 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places for the 8 here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with it. Yes, I can continue. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Alright. How about the number in this big square? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then the 3 in this column, the 3 in that column, so in the the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 7 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then the 7 in this row, the 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And then, how about the number? 7 and 8, 4. Well. No. How about the number? The middle column. The missing numbers are the 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. I see here the 3 and the 9. So no 3 and the 9. In this box, 1 digit left should be the 5. The 3 and the 9 goes there. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 3, and 5. 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left should be the 9 and in this big square, 9 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. The 9 and the 6 need to wait. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. One number left in this row for the number 3. Then we have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Okay, then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in the second row. The numbers are the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 5 and 4. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Wow. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. In the meantime, I will do the second Sudoku. I will solve the second Sudoku in a minute. So, thank you for watching and see you later in a minute. Bye bye for now.